Hello friends, today I am here to talk to you, to inform you something very important. Do you recall Arvind Kejriwal, the Honorable CM of Delhi, had promised that Delhi will be secured by CCTV cameras. In the first phase, across Delhi, we had installed almost 140,000 cameras. Now is the second phase, because the first phase was extremely popular and we could catch many criminals with the help of our CCTV cameras. Though we don't have control on Delhi police, but these cameras were of immense help to Delhi police in catching hold of the criminals and sort of controlling the crime. Friends, in the second phase, we're going to install another 2,000 cameras across the constituency. So that is, in second phase, across Delhi, we'll have similar number, 140,000 cameras. This time, we have learned from the previous mistakes. Mistakes of, we were not technical while doing survey, while recording the inputs, while accepting the documents. This time, everything is digitized. Starting from survey results, survey inputs of the residents, their electricity bills, everything will be digitized and we will miss nothing. Of course, this is because of our learning. We learn, we admit our mistakes and then we learn. Of course, whatever transpired in the last phase, we are curing that one by one. This time, we have another thing to share with you. The Hikvision was a Chinese company, and we have decided across the nation to boycott Chinese products. Arvindji is our CM is very particular about it. He would not want anything Chinese in the government. So do you look at this CP Plus? I'm not advertising for them, but this is the product which is Indian. We have selected that. This is the camera, this is the mesh we have, and this is the box. So all these would become one unit. It has got four ports. We'll be installing two, you can look at it. There are 4 ports here, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can install 2 cameras, 3 cameras, 4 cameras as per the need of the site. Synergy Telematics has been given this duty. I'll call it duty. Business, of course, this would be, but then it's more, for me, it's duty. So this company has been given by BEL. You can call it subcontracting. Government gave it to BEL and BEL gave it to Synergy Telematics. So, and I've talked to the executives, the officers, the technical persons, they're too good. So this time we'll have better experience. And we will not leave even one corner of Delhi and of Malviya Nagar which will be left unattended. Every dark spot will be covered. Those vulnerable areas where such incidents take place, we have to secure and ensure complete security of our women, our daughters, our mothers, sisters, older citizens, senior citizens, children, that they can freely move around the constituency, around Delhi. Constitution guarantees freedom, and that freedom we'll try to protect by these gadgets, CCTV cameras. I'm thankful to Arvindji for ensuring these devices to take care of freedom of the citizens, and in particular for my own constituency, Malviya Nagar. Now is your turn. It's your turn to send me your details, your name, your address, your phone number. You could be RWA, you could be MWA, you could be possibly, if there is no RWA and there is no MWA, then it could be resident. Send all these details at the earliest. On my behalf, Mr. Anil Sharma, he'll be coordinating with you, and alternatively you can also give it to Mohalla coordinator. Anilji with Mohalla coordinator would be roaming around with the surveyors and make sure that you don't leave any dark spot unattended. I want to cover in the second phase those area which has not been covered in the first phase and which is very vulnerable to crime and criminals. So don't waste time, send it immediately. Okay, you know my number, 85888 15543. You can send me on this number, or you can drop in the Mohalla WhatsApp group. Of course, safe living and safe way of roaming around Delhi. You're free to go anywhere without fearing. Okay, thank you. God bless you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.